Good evening, sir. My name is Carolina and I am a nurse. I study a lot differences between Islam and Christianity, and I have lots of questions, but the main question I have at the moment, you said that Islam accepts Jesus as a messenger of God. And Jesus, when was asked about divorce, if the man can divorce a woman, he said that Moses gave the permission to divorce a woman only because of the hardness of the heart of the people. But Jesus said that a man cannot divorce a woman. A man should leave the father and the mother and join the woman, and they became one spirit in two bodies. So this for me is difference between what we believe, what I believe as a Christian, and what you believe as a Muslim people.
Sister asked a question. She said there are many differences. What she's quoting is a verse from the Bible, from Gospel of Matthew, chapter number 5, verse number 27 and 28.
That's correct.
And I'm giving you the quotation. What you said, sister, is in your own words, which is not verbatim. What Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, said, it's in red letter. In the Gospel of Matthew, chapter number 27, verse number 28, it has said of the old times that thou shalt give a bill of divorce. But I say unto you, whosoever looketh upon a woman, that it was an old time, that thou shalt give a bill of divorce. But I say unto you that whosoever looketh upon a woman to lust after has already committed adultery in his heart. There are two verses, that thou shalt give a bill of divorce. But I say unto you that whoever sleepeth with another woman shall give divorce. That means of the old law, sister, at the time of Moses, it was said that if you want to give divorce, give a bill of divorce. That's it. But Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, says that you shall not give bill of divorce until your wife sleeps with somebody else. That means previously, at the time of Moses, divorce was allowed. To give a divorce, you give a bill of divorce. Now Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, a messenger of God, comes and changes the law. And he says that thou shalt not give a bill of divorce unless your wife sleeps with somebody else. So there is a change. In Islam, it is different. In Islam, sister, our beloved Prophet Muhammad said that amongst the permissible things, which is the most hateful in the sight of God, is divorce. Permissible, but the most hateful. That means in Islam, you can give divorce when required, when both husband and wife are not compatible. It does not mean that if the wife is bad, then you can give divorce, or if the husband is bad, then only can you give divorce. Maybe both are good, but they are not compatible. And we have many such examples. There were companions of the Prophet, male companions and female companions. We have the example of Zayd, may Allah be pleased with him. Along with another companion, a lady companion, Zainab, may Allah be pleased with her. They were married. They both were good. They were not compatible. You can divorce. Or can be one is not good. Wife is not good. Husband can divorce. Husband is not good. The wife can take divorce, can give kula. So in Islam, it is not like the times of Moses, give a bill of divorce, khalas, easy. Or at the time of Jesus, peace be upon him, you cannot give divorce until your wife does fornication. In Islam, we have to weigh the pros and cons. And based on that, so Islam, the last and final messenger came and said divorce is permissible, but as a last resort. And how to give divorce, the details are given. So that is the difference between the teachings of Moses, the teachings of Jesus, peace be upon him, and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Hope that throws some light on the differences.
Okay, thank you. So do you agree with me that marriage in Christianity and marriage in Islam is different? There are different rules?
Yes, there are different rules. There are different rules, but which rule is better, sister? I'm asking you a question. In the time of Moses, anyone can get divorced. Khalas, good, bad, ugly. In Christianity, only if your wife is caught fornicating, you can give. In Islam, if you're incompatible, you can give. If they are not good, you can give. Not just like that. It is permissible, but the most hateful in the sight of Allah. Which would you prefer, sister?
I prefer my religion and be with one man until the end of my life.
Okay, if the husband comes and hits you every day, he drinks alcohol, hits you every day, blue and black, your eyes turn black every day, would you like to stay with him?
We can be separate, but we cannot get married again. That's different.
Well, I'm asking you a question. Wouldn't you like to find some other life partner?
We are not allowed.
If you made a mistake, no, you are not. I'm not asking whether you're allowed or not. Which is preferable for a human being? In Islam, if you make a mistake in choosing a wrong partner, I think I've got for my sister a very good person. I think he's very good. But after marriage, he hits her, he gambles, he drinks alcohol, black and blue. I would say separate. I'll give him chance, try reconciliation, separate. She can marry in, she can marry the woman. What was her fault? What was her fault, tell me? Why should my sister suffer? What type of religion is this?
This is hard religion.
Not hard religion. Not
my
the
religion
question
is
of hard
hard.
religion, which is a logical religion. And today, but natural, we have to have husband and wife. They have to be. Correct? Medically, you should get married. Otherwise, if you separate, what happens in America? You know what happens in America? In America, according to statistics, every person, man and woman, they have 8 different sexual partners before they settle down with one. The statistic does not say how many they have after they get married. 8! Some have 5, some have 10, some have 20. It is human nature. So now if you say you'll separate, what will you do? So that is the reason Islam prevents the woman from going on the wrong track or the man from going on the wrong track. Divorce, marry again. What is wrong? If you make a mistake...
It's so easy. It's so easy.
Sorry?
It's so easy.
It's easy.
It's easy.
Not easy, it's a test.
You know,
it's a test.
for us, it's a test for all life.
Sister, what fault is it of yours? If your husband, your husband may be very good. I'm just giving a hypothetical example. That if he does not treat you well, if he hits you black and white, and yet you want to be his wife, what is the logic? What type of religion is this? Isn't it illogical?
This is a religion of love.
Love, he's hitting you. What love?
I promise him that I will be with him until the end of his life.
But you want to separate. You're not with him also.
I can pray for him. I can pray and ask God to change the heart of this man.
You can even pray after marrying someone else. You can't pray.
But I want to pray for my husband.
Oh, you can pray for your husband and your ex-husband also. In Islam, you can do that.
We all pray for my dad, and he changed after 30 years of being alcoholic. He changed.
Allah gave him hidayah, correct?
And my mom never gave up until he died.
Very good.
30 years we all pray.
Very good.
And it wasn't easy. She might say, no, I want to marry somebody else.
But do you mean to say if you marry, you cannot pray for your ex-husband? What kind of a religion is this? It's not a religion of love. In us, we can pray for 1,000 people. Religion of love.
I wish all Muslims pray for ex-wives and ex-husbands.
Why not?
I wish.
I have only one wife, mashallah. She's good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Most welcome.